Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan with Autoshot Paintless Dent Repair. Now in this video, what I want to talk about is the claims process. Now if you have hail damage on your vehicle, one of the very first steps is to call your insurance company and get a claim set up. And what they're going to do is they're going to send an adjuster out to your house, or they might have you come to one of their facilities and they're going to write what's called a rough estimate. Now the reason why I say rough estimate is because this estimate is not set in stone. They're basically going to come out and verify that you have hail damage. They're going to give you an estimate and they're going to say take it to a shop. After that, you want to call us immediately, because behind me I've got a vehicle and I want to walk you guys through this on all the damage that the insurance companies missed. And the reason why they missed this is because with hail damage, there's a lot of dents that you cannot see outside. You cannot see unless they're under ultraviolet lights, which I'm going to show you here in a second. So let's go over here and let's take a look at the vehicle that we're about to start working on. Now here we got a 2016 Ford Focus, and if you can see from all the circles, this is all the hail damage that was missed on this vehicle. And you can see down the doors, the hail started from the top and went all the way down the doors, the fenders and everything. This was all missed from the insurance companies. Now certain colors you really can't see the dents. As you can see right through here, you really can't see them. I mean, some dents really stick out and other ones not so much. But let me show you what happens once we put our LED lamps on this. Now once we have the LED lamps on this, see how the dents start to pop out? How they start to really magnify. And this is really common because you would never be able to see half these dents outside. Here's on the back panel. Now I'm going to walk onto the door. Now here's the damage on the rear door. Now some of these bigger dents, like up through here, that was on the estimate. But some of these smaller dents, like you see up and through here, all of this was missed off the estimate. And the reason why is because they just didn't see them outside. The sun blocks them. Certain colors, high metallics, they will hide dents. Now in this panel that you see all the circles on, the insurance company originally wrote only 32 dents on this panel. And as you can see, we have counted roughly around 73 dents on this panel alone. Now another thing, on the original estimate, the insurance company wrote this roof skin for a complete replacement, which is very, very bad. They also wrote this entire pillar here that we saw with all the dents on here, roughly around 73 dents were counted on this, for a complete cut off the vehicle, weld a new one on, bust the factory spot welds, bust the structure of the vehicle, repaint it and everything else, along with some other panels on this vehicle. And this is something you want to avoid at all costs, because with having a vehicle, you want to keep the factory paint in its original condition. Once you get in there and you start busting the factory paint, you take it to a body shop, they try to match it, it's never ever right. They end up leaving dirt in it, you have a color mismatch issue, and a lot of times when you go to trade that into dealerships, they're going to notice that right off the bat. And depending on how bad your vehicle is, most of this stuff gets reported to Carfax. Now with doing this on with the paintless dent repair method, we avoid all this because it's considered like a cosmetic repair. Basically, the most extent that we do is, as you can see in through here with the headliner lowered, that allows us access to get into the back of the panel to repair the dents out one by one. Now I'm going to walk you through this. I'm actually going to repair this rail for you right in front of you to show you how 72 dents on this panel alone is going to be repaired with doing nothing but paintless dent repair techniques. And by the time I get finished with it, it will look brand new again, saving the factory paint, keeping this car in its original OEM condition. Okay, so now the fun begins. As you can see behind me, I've taken my lamp here and I've moved it to the roof section. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to go about doing the paintless dent repair techniques to the roof, saving this vehicle from being taken to a body shop, having the entire roof cut off the vehicle, damaging the factory spot welds, having a new one glued down, and absolutely butchered, killing the structure of this vehicle. Now I'm going to start fixing this rail panel here, doing nothing but what's called a glue pull method. And I'm going to repair this entire panel here. There's over 73 dents here all the way down. It goes all the way down to the back end side. And I'm going to repair all this without using any paint, any body work. Now keep in mind, the insurance company and the body shop wrote this vehicle for this panel to have a whole new replacement. This is a structural part here. There's probably over 100 and some spot welds that hold this panel on, and it was all wrote for replacement to have it cut off and a new one welded on. Okay, now we're coming up along the back side of this rail here, and as you can see, all the dents now are completely gone. All the way down it. We've probably fixed, I would say about 50 some dents right here in this little section alone. They're completely gone. Now we're gonna finish this top half up through here. As you can see how many of them there still is up through here. So this is what it looked like before, guys, and here is the after part. Completely flawless. Looks brand new again. So now we got the trunk lid up on a stand here. I'll show you the half and half. This side's repaired. There's the damaged side. Coming along really, really well. We're halfway through with the trunk lid here. As you can see, we got that all pulled off. We got it put up on a custom stand made strictly for doing a paintless dent repair.